All right, solid progress today. Today we're up before 4 p.m. As you guys know, I've been sleeping in way too much. This beautiful, I think it's Wednesday or Tuesday. Honestly, with quarantine, you kind of forget. The days just blend in with each other. But today I woke up at 5:30 a.m. I forget the last time I actually woke up at 5:30 a.m. It probably would have been for a flight or something like that, which I might have been late to. But hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are having a good day today. Small little vlog and unboxing and collection video for today's video. I woke up at 5:30 a.m. today. I went for a run and I worked out and everything around 6:30. Did some reading too. It's been a pretty productive day, and I'm recording this right now at 10:20 a.m. I'm gonna try and make this be one of my most productive days this month, because honestly, this has been probably the slowest month on my YouTube channel ever. I've only uploaded 3 videos this month alone. In 3 weeks, I've uploaded 3 videos. If you guys know the consistency and my work ethic on the channel the past years, this is ridiculous. I'm really disappointed in myself, and if you're disappointed in me, I'm with you there too. Now you might be wondering, what's with the beanie? Well, the other day, I probably went through a quarter life crisis, because I'm only 24. I decided to give myself a haircut. Yeah, a haircut in quarantine season. Now the thing is when it comes to the haircuts and my my abilities and my actual materials that I have to use, I only have one real material, or one real option. These scissors I use for pretty much everything. They're just kitchen scissors and stuff, and
no, God, please, no!
Now, if this video can get 1,500 likes, I will show you guys the absolute monstrosity that is my hair. But until we hit 1,500 likes, or until I cave and show you guys on my Instagram at SneakerTalk, nobody, the only 2 people have seen my horrible haircut, my mom and my sister, and that's just because my mom FaceTimes me every single day. But yeah, it's really bad. The last time I cut my hair was when I was 8 years old, and there was it was a disaster too. I'm probably gonna have to go for that quarantine buzz cut, you feel me? I know a few of my friends are doing the quarantine buzz cut. You might even know somebody who's experimenting with their hair as well. I might have to be one of those people. And honestly, to recover from what has happened to my hair, I'm probably gonna have to go through a quarantine buzz cut. And I've never done a haircut like that in my entire life. I'm low-key excited because it's gonna be so new and so different. And I'm not gonna see many people during this, next few weeks. So it's if I don't like it, it's not that bad. Not many people will be seeing me besides you awesome people who are watching my videos right now. Today I wanted to unbox a few sneakers for you guys. I didn't want to unbox all the new pairs I have, but I do have 3 pairs down below under my desk. 2 Nike boxes, and then we have a brand new box that I picked up downstairs earlier this morning, or 5 minutes ago. But today, the main purpose of today's vlog is to unbox for you what might be the best Air Jordan 1 Mid of all time, or at least of 2020. Now, this is a pair I actually missed out on. I took an L on when they released on Nike's website. They sold out pretty much every size under 12 instantly. If you're a size 13 and above, you're good. That's usually the case when it comes to Nike.ca releases. There was no official release date for this shoe. It just sort of popped up on Nike's website. So I don't know if you guys do this, but I'm the type of person that likes to go on sneaker websites every single day, looking at the new arrivals and just looking for random stuff online. I don't know. Maybe it's because I miss going shopping in store and looking at, what's sitting on shelves, but I would even do this before the whole what's happening right now. So we'll show you guys these in just a moment, but I did want to give you guys a small little Air Jordan collection video in this vlog to show you guys my small appreciation for Air Jordan 1 Mid. And actually, let's just talk about the Air Jordan 1 Mid for a second. The very first Air Jordan I ever bought was the Air Jordan Flight 81. It sort of looks like a Jordan 6. Long story short, it's not that long of a story, but I bought those shoes and they were my first Air Jordans ever. However, I thought it was a size 11 at the time, and it was actually a size 10. I bought the shoes in a size 12 because they were on sale during Boxing Day sales in Canada, which is the day after Christmas. I bought them on sale for I think 80 Canadian dollars, and I wore them once. And if you're a size 10 person wearing a size 12 shoe, probably not the greatest look. They looked really chunky on me, but with having my first pair of Air Jordans ever, I really felt like I was cool. I felt like I was special. But then from there, I eventually got my first pair of retro Jordans, and they weren't even a pair of retro Jordans because they were a pair of mids. So my first real pair of Air Jordans were a pair of Air Jordan 1 mids. So please don't hate on people who like Jordan 1 mids. I don't understand the hate that people get for them. I know they're not the high top. I know there's not any history behind them or anything like that. Colorways might not be as cool, you feel me? But they're still a solid shoe. I mean, like the overall aesthetic, the overall look of the shoe is really dope. I mean, if you like the Jordan 1 high, there's no reason to really hate on the Air Jordan 1 mid. I understand if you're a purist, a collector, it's gotta be highs or nothing for a lot of you guys. But for the mids, I think it's a great alternative to someone who's not really into sneakers like you are, like a real sneakerhead, you know what I mean? So if you guys want to see my top 10 Air Jordan 1 mids of 2019 video, I'll leave that link down below. I have a card pop up as well. Let's get into my Jordan 1 mid collection real quick. Bred toe Air Jordan 1 mid. These shoes right here came out at the end of last year, I believe. Next up is I think a really good alternative to the Air Jordan 1 high Royals. They are the Royal Air Jordan 1 mid, and I know they did do a paint splatter version of these shoes last year, and those actually ended up selling out eventually and now have resale value. Great sneaker in my opinion. Next up, a subscriber actually sold me these sneakers at a sneaker convention. These are the Bred Air Jordan 1 mids, and these came and sold out instantly, just like the pair I'm going to show you guys today. This was a really good colorway they released. Unfortunately, I don't think these ever released in stores at Foot Lockers or Champs. This was one of those sneakers that were released specifically on Nike's website alone. So it was like a Nike.com or Nike.ca exclusive Air Jordan 1 mid. Probably one of the best mid colorways of all time. If you guys haven't seen The Last Dance documentary on Netflix or ESPN yet, the first 2 hours or first 2 episodes of that documentary series on Michael Jordan's life is up on Netflix right now. I watched it. It was awesome. If you're an Air Jordan collector or a sneakerhead, you will love The Last Dance, and you have a newfound or even more appreciation for Air Jordans. So Jordan 1 mid, Bred. Next up is probably the most hyped Air Jordan 1 mid in my collection, Phantasm Air Jordan 1 mid. I picked these up in Osaka, and these were actually the very last pair in my size. I bought these with a subscriber with me as well. Shout out to David. Is he in Japan right now or is he in Taiwan? But shout out to my subscriber David who lives in Osaka. So yeah, these are the Phantasm. Phantasm is a Japanese streetwear brand, and I love these sneakers. I love the color blocking, and I like this massive like orange tab on the back. Buying these sneakers in Japan with a subscriber, fun memory vlogging that day. Next up is a Air Jordan 1 mid that actually sold out and got restocked a couple times in 2019, and they are the Air Jordan 1 mid Obsidian. I actually thought these were high tops for a while. I really don't know why. It actually is quite high up. This has got to be one of the best Jordan 1 mids of 2019. But again, I'll be showing you guys the best Jordan 1 mid I think of 2020 in just a moment. But I love these a lot because they really have that kind of OG color blocking like the high top Chicagos do. When you swap in the white laces, it just looks really clean. So if you're a fan of the Jordan 1 high, but you're on a tighter budget, I always say this about mids, but straight up, yo, Obsidians, these were a fire release for 2019. And actually, I want to show you guys another Jordan 1, but it's not a mid top. I thought it was a mid top when I saw images online. It's actually a high top Air Jordan 1 Shadow Camo. I bought these in Japan on my very first trip in Japan too, I think, with the homies Kenshi Toronto, and this was in Tokyo. Boom. The thing with these sneakers is they are a high top. They actually aren't a mid top, so they're slightly higher, obviously. But yeah, the really cool thing about these shoes is that it has like a 3M sort of reflective shadow camo upper right here, and it doesn't really use full leather material. It actually uses suede on the toe box, suede on the swoosh, and suede on the side panels as well. One more final sneaker to show you guys. It is a custom. This pair right here, the Air Jordan 1 mid SneakerTalk. This is a custom that was done at the Jordan store in downtown Toronto when it was a pop-up during the All-Star weekend. I think that was 2016. This is a white and gray pair, base custom, and then they did laser engraving. Great, now I want some gravy on some chicken. They did some laser engraving on the shoes right here, so you can see, bam, we got the SneakerTalk SNTK. On the other side, we have Scarborough, the city, the suburb, you could say, of Toronto. I personally grew up in, well, besides North York, and I represent Scarborough. Shout out to all my Scarburians out there. Shout out to all my people who are from Scarbs. Love you guys. I now live in downtown Toronto, as you guys know. This is the condo I'm living in. by myself. I miss my dog. Unboxing time. Let's get into this pair right here. All right, now what can I open this up with? You know what? Let's use the scissors I cut my hair with. This is not a mistake this time. We're cutting with real intention. Open up this box. Black Air Jordan 1 box. I got the bottom right here, so let's just... There we go. What size did I get? I got a size 11. So, I'm not... Why am I coughing? Oh no. Oh no. So I got a size 11 pair right here in this box, as you guys can see. And I'm not a size 11, as I mentioned earlier. I'm a size 10. So these bad boys, I will probably do a giveaway or a resale. I'll hook somebody up for retail, the same price I paid for these bad boys, because I know these are now sold out and they might be reselling on StockX. I'm pretty sure they're reselling because colorway is solid and they're gonna go up in value. I definitely see these sneakers going up in value considering they're already sold out. So yeah, retail price on these bad boys is 150 Canadian dollars. Open up the lid. And dang, here we have it. Are these the best Air Jordan 1 Mid of all time? That's the question I'm posing to you guys today. These are the Chicago Air Jordan 1 Mid. Wow, I really like these. I really do genuinely wish these were my size, a size 10. Because it being size 11 is just a little bit too big for me. It's the point where it's just one size or half a size too big for me to really want to wear them and keep them. But yeah, these are dope. These are definitely dope. Let me know what you guys think about these. The Chicago Toe Air Jordan 1 Mid, or just the Chicago Air Jordan 1 Mid. You could call it that, but because the toe is black, which is not what we're used to seeing on the Chicagos, they're calling them the Chicago Toe Mids. So Chicago Toe Mids, I'll give you guys a quick little 360. We probably will do a comparison with the Chicago. Let's do a quick little comparison actually. All right, so these are the high top Chicago 1. This was, I think, was it 2014 or 2015 retro? I think it was the 2015 these came out. Yeah, 2015. So yeah, here you guys can see I do have the white laces in, but these do come with black laces when you do, you know, have them out of the box. Do these come with extra laces? No, do not come with extra laces. So if you wanted white laces, if you wanted red laces with these shoes, you will have to buy them extra. But right out of the get-go, I gotta say, if you wanted these shoes, this is a great alternative because resale prices for these have now climbed to about 1,500 Canadian dollars. I'll have the prices on StockX come up on screen right now. So resale for these is really stupid. It's just ridiculously expensive. These, on the other hand, if you wanted this kind of look, aesthetic, but still wanted a dope Air Jordan, these mid tops, pretty good alternative. So yeah, the main difference between these is the well, the cut of the shoe. Obviously the high top is higher. The leather quality is much better on the high tops as well. The tongue, you got the Nike Air because it's an OG shoe. The mid, well, you get the Air Jordan Jumpman tag because it's a mid. The back, they don't have the Jumpmans on the back anymore, which is really good to see because it looks closer to the OG that way. The Air Jordan Wings logo, same deal, same thing going on there. And then the outsole. The outsole is a big thing as well. The outsole is black on the mid top, red on the high top, and then of course the toe boxes. You have white toe box on the right, the high top version, and then you have the black toe box on the mid top version. So that's a quick little comparison, quick little look. Here's a quick little up close 360 for you guys, just so you can see what you do get out of the box. If you guys want these sneakers, I'll leave them linked down below in the description, along with other Air Jordan 1 Mids you can check out. But if you guys did make it to the end of the video, please comment down below what you guys think about the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Toe Mid. Are these dope? Are these nope? Are these a cop or a drop? It was great catching up with you guys. Probably will review these on my second channel, SneakerTalk 365, so subscribe to my second channel. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't yet followed me on IG, it's @SneakerTalkCA. Oh yeah, and if this video gets 1.5K likes, I'll show you guys my haircut.